Hi, this is Brett from SRmoto, and this is our 2021 KTM 690 SMCR project bike. Wanted to do a real quick video review of the MotoProWorks graphics kit that we just installed on the bike. So I'll get to that here in a second. And what I'll do is I'll put links in the video description down below to this project bike page on our website, so you can get more details on this project bike, see all the different parts and accessories we've installed on it. We do sell a few different parts for the KTMs, like the Zeta Pro Armor handguard package, SRmoto mirrors, and a few things like that. So once you're done watching the video, check that video description for that info. I'll also link you over to the MotoProWorks website, which is where we purchased this graphics kit from. So again, this is our 2021 KTM 690 SMCR. We've done a lot of different modifications to it over the last year or two, but hadn't really done anything with the graphics. We're still running the stock graphics on it, so I wanted to do something, add a little bit more white and blue to the bike. This is a 2021 model, so it has had the gray and orange plastic, and in a second I'll kind of show you that. What I've done for the purposes of this video is I've installed the graphics on this side of the bike, and then on the other side of the bike I left the stock graphics on for now, just to kind of do a before and after. So I'll show you that here in a second. So we ordered this kit directly from the MotoProWorks website, and real simple ordering process. These guys have like tons of different graphics kits for these bikes. I think there was like 10 different pages of KTM graphics available for these. So I kind of looked through and picked out this particular design. This is called the Torque graphics kit, and you can get this Torque graphics kit in a couple different colorways. We went with the white and blue, and I think it turned out really good. We went with the glossy vinyl. I think there's two different options. You can get the glossy or the matte finish, so we went with the glossy. Like I said, real pleased with it. Now, ordering was super simple, put the order through. Now, these guys are located in Sweden, so I wasn't sure exactly how smoothly that was going to go with shipping it over to the United States and everything, but actually went, it was super easy. A day or two after I put the order through the website, I got an email from them with basically a proof that I had to look over and agree that it was okay before it would go into production. So I went ahead and replied back to that. And then I got another email, said it would ship, roughly a week or two. So about a week or two later, I got a tracking number, UPS International, shipping directly to my door from Sweden. And about a week and a half, 2 weeks later, it showed up. Shows up in this big cardboard sleeve, and you get 5 or 6 different pages of pre-cut graphics ready to go on the bike. This is kind of what it looks like after I've installed most of it. And we ordered the optional rim strips, so you get 2 pages of rim strips. There's a couple different styles of rim strips you could get. So that's kind of what you get. And on the bike, you get the shroud graphics, side panel graphics, rear fender graphics, a little graphic around the key, front fender, headlight shroud, and swing arm graphics. Like I mentioned, we also ordered the optional rim strips. So far, I've only installed one on each side, kind of just opposite the stock 690 SMCR graphics. I put the ready to race graphic. I might add a couple more to it, but for now, I kind of like just the subtle look of just having the one on there. Now, you also get fork protector graphics, which are the one on the right there. And then you get another side panel piece that I have not used. I think I'm just gonna stick with the orange fork protectors. And what I did is I had enough white vinyl left over, so I cut that white piece out to cover the gray in the stock graphics. I did that on both sides, just to add a little bit more white. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. And then this black area on this side, gas tank area, you get another white piece to cover that. I think I'm just gonna leave that black for now. And there was enough white vinyl to make some extra trim pieces, so I did a couple trim pieces for the Zeta protectors, which are normally all orange with the black Zeta decals, and I added the white on the top and bottom just to add a little bit more white to those. Overall, like I said, real pleased with the way it turned out. Pretty simple to install. Takes a while because there's a lot of different pieces, and you got to kind of take your time to make sure you get it right. Used a hair dryer to heat things up and make sure everything sticks really well. But real pleased with how it turned out. Now, as I mentioned, I only installed the graphics on the one side so far, so this is kind of what it looks like with the new graphics. And then stock graphics. This is a 21 model, so it had the gray and orange, which don't look too bad, but I wasn't a huge fan of the gray. Had our all orange front fender, orange headlight shroud, and a gray rear fender, gray side panels with the gray shrouds and orange graphics. So it didn't look too bad, but I think it looks much better now. So that's kind of the before. And after. So much better, stands out a lot more. Real pleased with it. So I think that's about it for now. Again, check the video description below for a link to this project bike page and also the MotoProWorks website. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment down below. I try to check those. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you want to see more project bike videos for this KTM and some of the other dual sports and supermotos we've got in the shop, definitely subscribe to the channel. We haven't done a lot of videos here recently. I'm going to try to do some more over the winter. So subscribe to the channel, and that way when we post new videos, you'll be able to see them. If you have any questions, again, put a comment down below. And I think that's it for now. Again, it's Brett from SRmoto, SRmoto.com, and our 2021 KTM 690 SMCR project bike. Thanks for watching.